Trevor Barraclough and I'm the steam engineer here at Blists Hill Victorian Town Museum in Shropshire. Behind me we have the first functioning railway loco, we believe, the Trevithick of 1802. Myself and my team, the steam team, along with a group of external agencies have come together and got this loco back and running after a period of about 2 years of inactivity. It was basically the very first high pressure steam engine put onto rails, in this case plateway, which is quite different to our modern railway system, and it enables trucks which were normally pulled by horses or pushed by people to be moved mechanically by a steam engine that in theory never got tired. And that was a massive output in terms of transporting coal from the coalfields all around the country to places like the tin mines in Cornwall where there was no natural coal occurring. So we've been working on this engine now for about 18 months. It's proved a great challenge. It's got some unusual construction features. The loco's got certain modern features about it to meet modern standards for safety and so forth, but there's very little on it that is on a modern mainline steam locomotive. And the challenges were to make these earlier technologies work efficiently enough to get this loco up and down the track that we have here today. So the Trevithick Loco is a permanent exhibit here at Blists Hill, and it is run whenever we have volunteers trained sufficiently to be able to run it, but usually most holidays and high days it will be out running. It's a great pleasure to see it running and to see the smiles on people's faces when they see this very unique loco running up and down the tracks. People have likened it to looking at a great big watch with the wheel running round and so forth, or some kind of clockwork. To hear it chuffing, it's quite a satisfying and fulfilling experience to actually get the thing working, yes.
We're really grateful to Railway 200, so through their introductions we were able to get volunteers to come along and do the refurbishment for us. So we wouldn't have been able to do the project in anywhere nearly as quickly if it wasn't for them, so we're really grateful, just kind of the power of partnerships enabling us to do this project. So thank you to everyone at Railway 200.